All right, let's head to the UK and check in with Yahoo Finance's Tom Belger. Tom, stocks in Europe rallying back after really catching a beating on Monday.
For sure, yes. Second day of gains. Most of the top European indices up 1-2% today. And it really seems to be off the back of some promising PMI data out for manufacturing. Analysts talking, though, about a two-speed economy, because on the one hand, manufacturing activity now at a two-year high, picking up, doing well in Germany and France. And European exports, it seems the demand really is there around the world, as you say, after the rout on Monday. On the other hand, the bigger services sector has gone into reverse, we learned in these figures. Activity now falling to a 4-month low. And now firms, it seems, don't just have infection rates, rising infection rates to deal with on top of social distancing rules. They've also, it seems, got a lot of the pent-up demand that's been fueling the sector over the summer fizzling out. So strong signs now recovery is stalling and interesting stocks are rallying as they are. Some analysts even saying, actually, maybe it's how bad these services numbers are that's rallying stocks, and really hopes of stimulus that's driving the markets now. Brian.
And Tom, on the UK economy, signs that the economic recovery is fading a bit. And I imagine that does not come at a good time ahead of really some tough restrictions put in place by Boris Johnson yesterday.
For sure, yeah. It looks like momentum slowed in September for services and manufacturing, unlike in Europe. The numbers still better than the Eurozone figures, but pretty alarming, as you say, to have that loss of steam, if you can call it that, when we've got the lockdown light, as analysts are calling it, that Boris Johnson announced yesterday. Restrictions like ordering pubs and food and drink outlets to close early. That's going to hit them particularly. The fear is, though, the hit to confidence, as well as the city centres from office workers being told to stay at home. And that's on top, in case people don't realise, of government wage subsidies also being cut back next month that millions of jobs have relied on, and serious disruption to come later down the line as well from Britain's current Brexit deal running out at the end of the year. So the rumours are that we'll get more government stimulus as early as this week, efforts to save jobs with a new scheme to replace that one that's disappearing. But for now, the pound's taken a hit too, around a 2-month low in the past couple of days. And that's actually the only reason the FTSE really seems to be rising. A lot of the UK's top firms make their money overseas. Brian.
Well, Tom, if there's anything positive here, I guess we're one day closer to Friday. Tom Belger, thanks so much.